So now we have this little car, camouflage. Woo-doo! We have this truck that spins the dirt inside. Wheel.
Yep, and it's awesome.
And a tractor. Look at that. So cool. This is opened. And then chops. That's pretty cool. Sorry. But I'm trying to do something. You're sticking your hand in here. Fire department. Helicopter. We have a tractor. Look at that. That is so cool, but it's listening. It's wheel. We have a water gun. Let's see if it squirts it. It don't squirt. We have this truck. And we have this monster thingy. Boo, where's your monster?
It's a Monster Jam.
We have a bulldozer. We have this truck. We had this muddy tractor. Whoa, whoa. Let's lay this down right here. Oh, we have a mess over here.
And thank you for coming to our very surprise.
Show you quick. And we have this one. Woo, that one. It's pretty cool. So if you guys want to watch our videos more, just go to WWP.